Hello guys, so we have 3 new people: Pepsi, Pepsi Max, and Blender. So those are the 3 people. So let's get them inside the video. Okay, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank goodness it's not an odd number because I did want an even number for this next video. Because if I didn't have an even number, I could have done a fighting video. But thank goodness I can. So let's start. And let's count again because target was under there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I take it back. I take it back because target. Somebody has to get eliminated straight away. And it can't be one of the new guys. I think it should be Twitter. Why me? I'm just being so mean. Now let's snap this up. So now we can finally do a fighting video. First up, DC versus McDonald's. Go. Okay, DC is better than McDonald's. What do you mean do? You mean do food. I do loads more things. I think that's wrong. Let me just get you out. McDonald's wins. Next up, Blender versus Pepsi. Go. Pepsi is way more better than Blender. I make Lego movies. No, you do not. You're just so dumb. Bam, 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 bam. Pepsi wins. Next up, Pepsi Max versus Marvel. Go. Pepsi Max. I have Max more just Pepsi than normal Pepsi. Don't say that, we're both friends. Go. Do you know how that didn't work? How? Because I have more juice than Pepsi. Okay, could you please stop saying that? We're both friends. I know! Now go away, Marvel. Pepsi Max wins. Target versus Walmart. Go. Okay, what are you? 3 lines. And what are you? A Target. Targets are way more better than 5. Walmart wins. Holy gee. That went over. Holy jeez, guys. How did that actually happen? Oh no, I think I've lost target. Oh, well, I've lost target. Oh no. Oh no. That's the respawn of Twitter. Yeah, that was a lot of words. That does not even sound like words. Oh wait, we have it fighted with hand. Hand. Actually, evil hand. Evil hand versus McDonald's stuff. That's a little nut. Evil hand wins. Okay, it's not letting us see now.